Okay, this is the brand new LCD of Huawei Nova 7i. Okay, it's brand new. There's a sticker here. Okay. Okay. And now I will testing it now here in the CP cellphone. Okay, I testing now. Okay, already put in the flex. And now I'm gonna put this battery. I place the battery. Okay. And now maybe I'll fix this only for fitting the screw, one screw only.
Okay, try.
Okay. Okay. I already place the flex of the LCD, and I placed the battery too. And now I will try to open using this charger, type C charger. Okay, plug in. I will try to open now.
Not working.
Not working. The LCD is not working. The LCD is not working.